Helsinki is a city where modern life blends with deep tradition. It sits by the sea, surrounded by countless islands and peaceful nature. This Nordic capital is known for its unique design, clean air, and friendly people. The rhythm here is calm yet inspiring, making it the perfect place to explore. In Helsinki, you will find striking architecture, vibrant markets, cozy cafes, and quiet green spaces. Every corner tells a story, and every visit feels like a new discovery. Suomenlinna Sea Fortress is one of the most remarkable sites in Helsinki. Built on a group of small islands, it is a historic stronghold that has stood for centuries. Today, it is a peaceful place where visitors can wander through stone walls, old tunnels, and scenic paths by the sea. The atmosphere is calm, with a mix of history and nature all around. It is a perfect spot to enjoy a walk, learn stories of the past, and take in the beautiful coastal views. Helsinki Cathedral is one of the most iconic landmarks of the city. Its tall white walls and green domes rise above the main square, creating a striking view from near and far. The cathedral was built in the 19th century and still feels timeless today. Inside, the space is bright, peaceful, and filled with quiet beauty. Outside, the wide steps are a favorite meeting spot where locals and travelers gather to admire the city and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Temppeliaukio, or Rock Church, is a unique architectural wonder carved directly into solid rock. Its interior has a warm, natural feel, with rough stone walls and a stunning copper dome that lets in soft light. The acoustics are incredible, making it a popular spot for concerts. Surrounded by the calm of nearby streets, it offers a peaceful retreat. Visitors can admire the clever blend of nature and design while enjoying the quiet spiritual atmosphere of this remarkable space. Market Square is the heart of Helsinki's outdoor life, full of colors, scents, and energy. Stalls sell fresh berries, local crafts, and traditional foods, making it a lively place to explore. The square sits by the sea, offering views of passing ferries and nearby islands. Locals and visitors stroll here, enjoying the friendly atmosphere. It is a perfect spot to taste Finnish delicacies, watch street performers, or simply soak in the vibrant everyday life of the city. Uspenski Cathedral is a stunning symbol of Eastern Orthodox heritage in Helsinki. Its red brick walls and golden onion domes rise above the city, creating a striking silhouette. Inside, the cathedral is richly decorated with icons, chandeliers, and intricate details that reflect its history and culture. Visitors can feel a sense of serenity as they walk through the sacred space. The location on a hillside offers beautiful views of the city and harbor, adding to the cathedral's majestic presence. The Sibelius Monument is a remarkable tribute to Finland's famous composer. Made of hundreds of steel pipes, it creates a modern, abstract design that fascinates visitors. The monument sits in a peaceful park surrounded by trees and open space. Nearby, a bust of the composer adds a personal touch. It is a place to reflect, take photos, or simply enjoy the harmony of art and nature. The monument captures both creativity and the serene atmosphere of Helsinki. Esplanadi Park is a lively green space in the heart of Helsinki, perfect for strolling or relaxing. Tree-lined paths, flower beds, and benches create a welcoming atmosphere for both locals and visitors. Street performers often add music and entertainment, making the park feel vibrant and cheerful. Cafes and shops border the park, offering a chance to enjoy Finnish treats. It is an ideal spot to soak in city life while surrounded by nature, culture, and the calm charm of Helsinki. Helsinki's Central Railway Station is more than a transport hub. It is an architectural landmark. Its granite facade and tall clock tower make it instantly recognizable. Inside, the spacious hall welcomes travelers with a mix of elegance and efficiency. The station connects the city to destinations across Finland, while shops and cafes add to its lively atmosphere. Both locals and visitors admire the building for its design, functionality, and central role in the rhythm of Helsinki life. Oodi Central Library is a modern hub of culture and learning in Helsinki. Its sweeping wooden architecture and open, airy spaces make it inviting and inspiring. Inside, visitors can read, work, or enjoy creative workshops and events. The building combines technology, art, and comfort, with cafes and gathering areas for everyone. Oodi is more than a library. It is a vibrant meeting place where people of all ages explore knowledge, innovation, and community in the heart of the city. Nuuksio National Park offers a peaceful escape from the city into Finland's pristine nature. Dense forests, sparkling lakes, and rugged trails invite visitors to hike, paddle, or simply relax outdoors. Wildlife such as birds and small mammals can often be spotted along the paths. The park changes with the seasons, from snowy winters to vibrant autumn colors. It is a perfect place to reconnect with nature, breathe fresh air, and enjoy the quiet beauty that surrounds Helsinki.